What is up, guys? We are finally back with the Lamborghini. We are done with the frame. I know a lot of you guys were waiting. Thank you for being patient with us. Check out the frame. It turned out perfect. The reason why we are not doing the frame is because we rather let professionals do it on this kind of car. We need everything be OEM spec. We need everything to be perfect on this car. We want no mistakes, no problems, no nothing. We need everything to be exactly how it was OEM. So we matched up the other side, matched up to this side. We might even probably did it better than OEM, you know, who knows. But frame and paint, frame and paint, because this is a special paint color of the car. I think it's 3 layers of different kind of paint. I think it's just like a blue and then kind of a metallic blue goes on top of that, clear coat. So we rather let professionals take care of the frame and the paint, the serious work. We usually do paint, do frame, but on this kind of car, we need everything to be perfect. So this is what we're going to do now. We are going to, before sending the car to the paint booth, we are going to change the steering system. We're going to probably take off all that suspension on that side just to pull out the steering rack, and we're gonna change the new steering rack. It came with kind of how it looks. So we ended up buying a brand new one. So we're going to change this. We are going to put on all the suspension back on. We just put on a temporary tire for now. We are going to get brand new tires for all 4 wheels. So let's get to work. Alright guys, we took the caliper off. We disconnected the steering system. Now we're just gonna remove the shock, the upper control arm, lower control arm, and we will try to pull off this whole thing just together. That way we don't have to take it apart as much.
Big gun, big guns.
So we just removed everything. Would not want to mess up this rotor right here. It's a $6,000 rotor.
Right now we're just looking on this one, the new one, where they have the plugs. That way when I go under that one, it's going to be easier to find the plugs. So you can see 1, 2. Now I got unplugged 2 plugs. This is what it's like owning a Lamborghini.
His hands look like that, so mine can look like that.
Oh yeah, baby! Oh my god. This was the hardest. This was the hardest part to remove. Alright guys, we removed the steering system. You can see that's the old one right here. That's where it ripped off pretty much. This is the new one. It was really tough to get it from under there. It's such a tight space. But we made it happen, and
we gotta measure it out, make it the same exact size. So for example, see how this one sticks out more than this one? If we were to put it back inside like that, there's a big chance after we install everything we blow the clock spring. This was actually hard to pull it out. You wanna know why? This car doesn't have a front subframe.
yeah, it's just all welded frame.
It's all frame.
Look at that little tight space that we had to work through. That's a tight space. So
it's a lot easier whenever you just drop the subframe in the skirt.
It goes all the way through, and this is just all one piece. We had to basically drop the front diff just a little bit, just to give us a little more room to play inside there, and it's going to be easier to install the new one back in. So let's get to it.
Let's first make sure the part numbers are the same.
It took us almost an hour to take out the old one. It took us probably 1-2 minutes to put the new one back in. It just slid in perfectly. And we're just gonna pin it down right now and start putting together the suspension. And can't wait to put this thing on wheels. Alright guys, we got the steering system inside, we got it bolted on, and it's time to put the suspension on.
Rusty barricades, levitate, got it tatted on me, told them follow me, they see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as tile, Lexus clear as day, no longer move around in fear, disarray, pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane, feel the bass, baby soak it in and let it marinate, it's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
Alright guys, check this out, we are done with the suspension, look how good everything looks, everything just fit perfectly. So this is the side that was crashed, that was crumbled, all this was messed up, all this is new. We changed pretty much the lower control arm, upper control arm, did the entire frame here. The frame looks so perfect, everything just fits so perfectly, everything's measured right by size. So right now we're gonna throw on the wheels. Alright, this is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram at Foreign Builds. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.